drive the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.